How to fix missing emojis on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm just going to show you a couple of ways that you can get that particular missing emoji on your Android phone. Now, if you previously had that emoji and once you updated your software of Android, that particular emoji had been removed. Now this happens because your Android device has removed that particular emoji. Now you cannot get it back from the software, so you need to use other third-party applications or keyboards. So you can open up your Play Store, and if you don't yet have the Gboard or the Google keyboard, you can download it from Play Store. Search for Gboard and you can easily download this application onto your phones. Now once the download is complete, you can just open up your settings and head over to your keyboard settings, or the language or input settings is what they call it, and just tap on manage keyboards and tap on Gboard. Once you do, you just add in a new keyboard right here and pick the language. Once you do that, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see emojis, stickers and gifs. You can tap on it and make sure that these options are toggled on. Once you do that, you'll be able to see all new emojis that have been added on Android. Now if you do have the Gboard, what you can do is you can again open up your Play Store and then search for Zfont 3. Once you do, you'll open up this application. You can just download it for your device. Now this application has tons of emojis from different devices such as Samsung, Vivo and other stuff. It even has emojis from Windows and iOS. So you can download these and you should have all of the emojis that most of the devices have. So I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all. I'll see you in the next one.